Hello everyone, it's Jason here with MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. And today I am on a brand new 2026 Harris Grand Mariner 230. This boat is really optioned out well. We chose the Chestnut Cool Touch furniture. This keeps it nice and cool in the hot Texas months. We got the new upgraded flooring on it. Making our way back here to the helm. A lot of fun going on right here. We got the dual SIM card, GPS, monitors to your engine, vital and data controls, top of the line JL audio stereo system with 2 subwoofers. We did rig this boat here with the power tower and the optional JL audio stereo speakers. One of my favorite things of the boat is obviously this convertible rear lounger here. This will lay back, lay flat, and also another cool feature about it, these all click up while that's laying flat so you can forward face as well. Back here, there's a lot of room back here. We have the new lily pad ladder. My favorite feature here on the whole boat is the swim step. This will drop down the lake, make it easier to get in and out, or prep the kiddos while you're out tubing. This boat is rigged with the new Mercury 350 horsepower V10, so it's got enough power to fill this boat with 12 people and have a good day. So for more information on this boat or any of our other boats, my name is Jason here in Lewisville, Texas. Give us a call. Thank you.